here in my hands, I have my December Tribe Beauty Box. And if you have never heard of Tribe Beauty Box, they are a monthly subscription box. And I think it's $40 a box, I think is what their pricing is, but I'm not sure if they've updated it. So a lot of people compare Tribe Beauty Box to Boxycharm because you get Boxycharm once a month, and the regular Boxycharm box is around like $21, and the Tribe Beauty Box is $40, so you get one Tribe Beauty Box for every 2 Boxycharm boxes. I like Tribe Beauty Box because they send out a lot of unique products, a lot of brands that I don't know about, and I've received some like fun and beauty items in there. Like I got my first makeup eraser and my Tribe Beauty Box. So let's see if this Tribe Beauty Box is exciting. Okay, I'm really excited to see what's in this box because they've started allowing people to choose like the eyeshadow palette that they get inside of their box, which I think is a really cool step up to their subscription. Okay, so we get a little information card, and it appears that Tribe Beauty Box is doing a collaboration with somebody named Jessica. So let's see what she picked out. I'm really excited. Okay, so here's what we got inside of our box. Let's look. So it looks like we start off with these Cysteine Herbal Collagen and Retinol Cherub Eye Mask. That's really fun. Okay, so don't mind starting off with a little skincare. Really cool. And we got 2. I love it when they don't cheap out and they send us multiple masks instead of being like, yeah, you just get this one mask. So that's really cool that we got 2. So now we know if you like it or not. The next thing I'm pulling out are brushes. Oh my god, my favorite thing to receive in subscription boxes, beauty subscription boxes, are brushes, and we got a lot in here. Also, these are super, super pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the handle, but they're like rainbow crystals. So cute. These are from Kalinda Cosmetics. I have never heard of that brand. See, that's why I like Tribe Beauty Box, because I'm not getting the same brand over and over. I'm getting introduced to new brands that I fall in love with. So here's a closer look at the brushes, if you guys were wondering what they look like. I've got my fingerprints all over them now, so they're not as crystal clear as they used to be. But yes, we got brushes. This is going great. Love it so far. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is this little holographic box. What is this? It says may cause euphoria, Vixen Potion. I have never heard. The box is so cute. We got a little rainbow. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god. Okay, this is so pretty. I just put out a little eyeshadow brush so we can like actually see this swatch. Oh my god, it just like all this dust just went up in the air and I just watched that float up, and it did definitely cause euphoria. Holy crap, Oli. Oh my god, I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I don't even have this swatch. Okay, I have to put this down. I really do not want to spill this, and I really feel like I am. Here's what it looks like on my brush. Let's swatch it. Do you see all the dust from that? Okay, maybe it needs, like, maybe I'm not doing this right, because it probably needs, like, something wet to stick to, obviously, but, like, I know that was really unhygienic, and I will sanitize this brush later, but holy crap, that is so beautiful. But we definitely get a better idea of what it looks like with the cap. Okay, I'm addicted. I've never heard about this brand. I'm kind of sad because I've been thinking about canceling my Tribe Beauty Box, and this box, like, I'm so happy with it so far. This is really, really great, and we still have more in here, but that is so pretty. I just wish it stuck a little bit better in my hand, but there, I mean, we have kind of an idea, but we definitely have a really good idea of what it looks like based on the back of the cap. Okay, so now I'm pulling out this Gerard Cosmetics lipstick. Here is what the packaging for the lipstick looks like, and I'm sorry, I still have that beautiful Vixen Cosmetics. I have no idea, the powder all over my hands. So here's what the shade of lipstick is. Very interesting. It's been a while since I've seen like this kind of a nude, but it's gorgeous. Yes, I love that. Even though it's December, we weren't like boom holiday colors, because you know some people don't feel comfortable with that, and this is a very neutral nude. Love it. So beautiful. So if you aren't somebody who's like, yes, I love bright colors, that's definitely a very beautiful lipstick. Okay, so it looks like we have 2 more items left. Ooh, Tribe. Okay, I have no idea who the person is that they've done this collaboration with, but we have a Makeup Geek highlighter. First off, Makeup Geek is never a brand that I receive a lot of. Secondly, highlighters are not a product that I receive a lot of in boxes. So this is so different and refreshing. Yes, this is so amazing. Okay, so it looks like we got a duochrome highlighter. I'm gonna freak out when I open this. I'm gonna freak out. It says Celestial, so I really hope I don't know what I'm hoping for. I have it open, I'm not looking. I was so excited. Oh my god, it's purple, guys. Okay, let me turn it upside down so the mirror is not distracting. I'm gonna turn this down for a second. Can you see that it's purple? Oh my god, I hope so, because it's so gorgeous. Oh, can you see that? I really hope it's coming up as purple. And I don't know how to get these flakes off. It's beautiful. I don't care. I want to be covered in the flakes. Oh, yes. Oh my god, purple highlighter is my favorite thing ever. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Okay. This box is so good and I don't want it to end, but we're pulling out the last product right now, which is a eyeshadow palette from Glamlight Cosmetics. Are you serious? I'm freaking out about this box. Oh my god, I've always wanted to try Glamlight. Oh my god. Holy crap, this box is amazing. Okay, so it just says Miracle from Glamlight. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this box. Look how beautiful this palette is. Holy crap, I'm so in love with this box. So let's take a quick second to go over everything that I received in this month's Try Beauty box, which was the best Try Beauty box I have ever had in my life. So the Glamlight Miracle palette has a retail value of $28. The Makeup Geek highlighter has a retail value of $14.99, which is not that bad. I thought Makeup Geek was a lot more expensive. The Gerard Cosmetics lipstick. So there was two shades that you could have received. I had to find mine because I put it down in my box. So there were two shades you could have received. The first was the Mystic Moon, which is the one that I received, which is, I'm going to say her name wrong, Angelica's, there we go, Angelica's favorite. And then you could have received Mudslide. So depending on which one you received, it was a retail value of $19 or $20. The 5-piece stained glass brush set has a retail value of $24.50, which is so affordable. The Vixen Potion, which I don't know how to say this brand's name, but I'm definitely going to have to check them out. So freaking beautiful. That has a retail value of $17.99. And the Retinol and Collagen Cherub Mask has a retail value of $15.50. I don't know if that's per a mask or if that's for the two combined. So that is everything that I received in my December Try Beauty box. This was the best box I've ever received from Try Beauty box. I'm so in love. I really hope that they keep sending out more high quality boxes like this. This box was absolutely amazing. So what did you guys think of my December Try Beauty box? What was your favorite item in this box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.